Hello children, today we are going to see chapter number 3, working with function type C, question number 3. In this program, what they asked you to do, we have to create a function. It has a default value we have to give. If we are, while calling the function, if we are not passing any parameter, it has to take a default value. Otherwise, it has to do with the called passing parameter. It has to calculate the cube of a number with the passed parameter. Okay, that is the one question. Second question is, we have to compare the two arguments. Okay, x and y value if you are giving, it has to compare the two arguments and return true. If both are same means it has to return true. Otherwise, it has to return false. Okay. Let us begin the program. First, we will be focus on the first question. Input will be from the function. Otherwise, while function call, we have to give or from the function or function call. Okay. Output will be cube of a number. So let us begin the function def. I am giving the function name cube. So default value I am giving x is equal to 2. Default value I have given. Okay. Then what it has to return? It has to return cube of a number. So x is star. Okay, it has to find the cube of the number. Now what I am going to do? I am going to call the function. Okay, call the function. By the way, I am going to print the value. Here if you see, while calling the function, I am not passing any input. I am not passing any argument. Okay, so let us execute this. You can see here a cube of a number, it has taken the default value x is equal to 2. Now I am going to pass the value 4. Okay, so let us see what will be my output. You can see here 64. Now I pass the value. If I am not passing the value, it will take, the function will take the default value. If I am passing the arguments, it will take that which I passed argument. Okay, this is the first one. Next one is we have to compare the two arguments. Okay, that comparison I should do it inside the function. So def f1. So how many values I should pass to this function? 2 values I should pass. So x comma y. Then what I should do with that input parameters, I should check whether both the values are same or not. So for checking which loop I should use, if loop I should use, and what I should check, x is equal to y I should check. Then if x is equal to y, what it has to return true. Okay, t should be caps, take in mind, t should be caps, else. Otherwise, what it has to return false. Okay, now function definition, everything over. Next, what I should do? I should use an input function. X is equal to input of x value, then y is equal to input of y value. Okay, both the values using an input function I am getting from the user. Then what I should do? I should call the function. For calling the function f1 called, I call the function. Then what I am going to do? While calling a function, I have to pass two parameters. So x comma y I have to give. Then I have to print that value which I got from the function. Okay, now execute. X value it is asking 3 and y value 4, false. One more time I will execute. X value is equal to 3 I am giving and y value equal to 3, it is returning true. Both the values are same. Okay. Thank you children. If you have any doubts, you can write in the comments. We will meet in the next video.